Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to pin location in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first let's get into WhatsApp app. So here it is. Now go to the chat or the group you want to pin the location. So let's go for this one. Now click on this attachment sign over here and click on location. Continue. Now allow the location. Now click on share live location and continue. Here you can see this time over here. You can pin it for 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours. Let's go for 15 minutes and click on send. So this is all. Now your location will be pinned here for 15 minutes. So this is how you can pin your location in WhatsApp. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.